Hey guys, day 8. It's Thursday. We're having a Google Meet today. Don't forget that. Got that scheduled at 10. If you'd like to join, 5 extra points on your multi-step. By the way, multi-steps are going great. You guys are knocking those out. I haven't put in final scores yet because I'm waiting to see who gets in with the Google Meets. We'll be doing that soon because this will be another Google Meet today. As far as where we are finally ready to move out of Southwest Asia geography. I've been wanting to do that, but due to the distance learning, the switching over, I'm trying to be going super slow, try to put on the brakes and go slow as I can so I don't leave anybody behind. Hopefully, I haven't. But it is time to move. We're going to Southwest Asia history. There's only 3 parts to it, so it should not take us long. I'm just going to go slower than I would in the classroom. And I'm going to do part 1 today, Thursday, and the rest of it tomorrow. Continue with part 1 tomorrow on Friday, and then on Monday we'll go to part 2. So it will go pretty quick. I know geography took us a while, but we did have to transition from the classroom to distance learning. So now that you guys are kind of getting the hang of it, I think we can roll now. So that being said, we are starting today with the Ottoman Empire. This part 1 of our history takes us way back to World War I, when the Ottoman Empire was trying to rule the world at the time. And we're going to break it up into pieces. And I know we've used this term before in Africa. We're going to partition it. And you guys know what that means. When we partition, we pull it apart. Partition, pull it apart. And that's kind of what we're going to have to do with the Ottoman Empire, like we have with some other things. They're going to pull it apart. Kind of reminds me of like World War II, when we kind of pulled Germany apart after that was over. Kind of doing the same thing with the Ottoman Empire. World War I is over, and we're going to need to pull it apart and hope it doesn't do this again, what it did in World War I. That being said, you're going to need your textbooks today. Yay, those textbooks. All right, hopefully you still got it. Don't lose it. Turn to page 71, read about the Ottoman Empire, and I've basically retyped the page and on a Google Doc, and I want you to fill in some closed notes just to make sure that you understand everything. I think if you have to type in what's missing, you'll kind of get what it's all about. That being said, that's kind of all there is today. So read page 71, do your closed notes, and have the best day. And I'll see you at 10. See ya.